Welcome back, friends, to Average Joe's Barbecue. In this episode, we're going to smoke cream cheese 3 different ways. But in case you're new here, we develop content for this channel that encourages people to use that grill just a little more often. All of our recipes are family and time friendly, and they taste amazing. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe below, and let's go to the video. Welcome back, friends. We're going to go ahead and get started. This recipe is super simple, and you only need a few key things to get started. First and foremost, you're going to need 3 8-ounce packets of cream cheese. The brand of cream cheese doesn't matter. Whatever you have in your fridge or freezer, or whatever is available locally to you, will work just fine. You're going to need some olive oil. I choose to use the spray olive oil just to keep things nice and neat. You will need some aluminum foil, and then you'll need your seasonings. In this cook today, we're going to go ahead and use a sweet, a spicy, and a savory seasoning. So for our sweet, we're going to use Heath Riles peach rub. This has a peach flavor that's a little bit smoky. For our hot, we're going to use Fergolicious Red Hot. And for our savory, we're going to go ahead and use regular ranch seasoning. So to get started, we're just going to go ahead and get our cream cheese open. And it's good to have a towel nearby because these things will likely get all over your hands. So we gotta get these little packages open. There's one. And I recommend not using frozen cream cheese. It seems to change the consistency on it a little bit. But if you can get it on one that hasn't been frozen, I think that's a little bit better. These things can be a little tricky. Get out of their protective casing here. Alright, now that we got these open, I recommend keeping a towel nearby because you're going to get all messy. You're going to hit these things with a little bit of olive oil. Just give something that's for the seasoning to stick to. Make sure you get both sides. And all this. We're going to go ahead and start with the peach rub. Sprinkle that all over the top of it and the sides. And go ahead and hit that back side with a little more. All right, now we're going to do our hot one next. Now, it doesn't really matter how heavy you put this on here. I like it really heavy to make sure we have a really good crust on this. All right. And then our ranch for our savory seasoning. We got a little bit of seasoning on the ranch one, but that'll be okay. Okay, now that we have these things all seasoned up, we're going to go ahead and get our little tin foil boats made up. This is really simple. Just pull out 3 sheets of tin foil. Go ahead and fold them in half. And kind of curl up the sides. It doesn't have to be perfect. All you're really doing here is just giving the cheese someplace to go in case something happens. So, just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to have something for it to sit on instead of sitting on the grill grate itself. So we're going to go ahead and do the other 2. You're going to fold it in half. Then fold up the sides. Done. All right, now that we have our little boats made up, we're going to go ahead and transfer these over. That's the sweet, that's the spicy, and that's the savory. So before I stick them on the grill, I'm going to go ahead and give them a little crosshatch pattern. What this is going to do is it's going to add to the presentation of what you're serving your guests. So as this thing cooks, these slices will open up and it'll make it look intentional and nice and neat. So you do that by just doing a couple of slanted cuts and a 45, and do the exact opposite, 45. And do that on all of those. And the last one. All right. Now that these things are ready, we're going to go ahead and get them on the grill. We'll see you over there. Welcome back, folks. We got the grill fired up to 225, and we're going to go ahead and put these things on. So I'm using my Grilla Grill Silverback today, and I'm going to strategically place these to the coldest part of the grill. And I know for my grill, it's going to be in this upper right-hand corner, so that's where I'm going to stick these. Now, this cook should be about 2 hours long. So we're going to go ahead and check on it in an hour and see how it's doing, just to give you guys an update. But plan for about 2 hours on this. I'll see you soon. Welcome back. It's been about 2 hours, and we're going to go ahead and check on these things and see if they're ready to go. Oh yeah, look at that. Get a close up on that. Those things look good and they smell good. We're going to go ahead and get these pulled and plated, and we'll bring you back for the final reveal. Welcome back, folks. We got this thing plated, and we're going to go ahead and pan in and let you guys see the final result. This smells and looks amazing. Definitely worth the effort, which was very minimal. So we're going to go ahead and give this a taste test and find out exactly how it came out. So over here on the right is the peach, the sweet. As you can see, this is still got the consistency of cream cheese with a light bark crust on the top. That is good. That is really good. It's gooey and creamy. Tastes just like smoked cheese. Definitely a winner. Let's go ahead and give the spicy a try. Again, very, very good. Still get that smoky consistency with a little bit of spice in it. That's good. Lastly, we'll go ahead and do the ranch. That's a winner. Ranch is definitely my favorite out of the three. Well, there it is, folks. A very easy recipe to impress your family and friends. I'll include everything I used in this cook today in the link below. So if you're interested, check it out. If you have any questions for me, just leave a comment. Otherwise, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.